We're about to be in Surrey.
Yeah.
We run to Essex.
Essex. Let's go, let's go, come on.
What event is this?
Hey.
Is this a marathon or something? Oh, yeah.
Just getting undressed. In Surrey, baby.
Surrey! Hello, we're about to do a whole marathon.
Yeah.
Don't know where they're going, but we're going Essex. Everybody say hey! Everybody say hey! Hey!
Alright guys, shut up.
We're here in Greater London then, yeah? And we're gonna run across the whole thing to Essex. So we're in Kingston. We're half a mile in on our 26 miler. Classic raining.
Come on an adventure, there's plenty to see. The challenges we're taking, some made up in a dream. Seems so many times I wanna go on a run, but then my knee starts hurting and mate, yeah, that's not the one. Finally, we're on the road. The way I feel about it, it just can't be wrong. If you only knew the way I feel about it, I just can't describe it. Oh no, no. Finally it's happened to me. You have clicked on a video and a like and subscribing. Finally it's happened to me. Straight from Surrey to Essex. Yes, it's so exciting. Finally it's happened to me. Gone through London like nothing. We're just getting started. Finally, wow.
Over there is the city, central London, yeah? So let's go to central London, let's make a scene, let's dance, let's get it. Hey!
Nah, ooh, you're moving too fast, and I don't think it's right. We won't make it to London tonight.
Central London. Almost in central for that dancing and stuff. That's going to take the weight off my knee. Can't wait for that.
Yeah.
Let's go. My knee could do with dancing rather than running right now, I think. So, it's time to make a big crowd. Seems hopeful, doesn't it? Seems lively.
Okay. Keep going.
Come on!
Hold this. Come over, hold this.
Yeah! Everybody say what? Everybody say hey! Yeah, so no one dancing out in Hyde Park Corner then, but we're gonna go over to Buckingham Palace, yeah? And there better be some dancers over there. Everybody say hey! Everybody say hey!
Okay, yeah, start. The thing.
Hey, come on guys, let's go.
Elliot, what are you doing?
Everybody say hey! Everybody say hey!
Thank you. That's enough.
It's time to get London dancing, yeah? So,
Yeah, quick before
we're
the
off
police
to
comes.
Piccadilly Circus now. And what we're going to get done again.
Let's go. Let's go.
Get in on that.
They're really
Get in on
good.
it then.
You nervous?
No.
God. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? They're filming. They're filming.
Yeah, I'll do my own
He's
thing.
ready. He's ready. He's ready. He's ready.
Go.
Dude, you just completely ruined that shot for them.
Get this thing going on, man. Yeah, I got a better camera than you, bro. Hey, go on, then.
I'm not involved.
Go on, bro. Yeah, that's it. Get in. Hey, yeah, that's it. Alright, that's going. Come on in, man.
Oh, you got some.
Come on. I don't be sorry,
Come on.
Everybody say.
That's good.
Alright, we're trying to run here, but London is getting to us. There's a few too many people. Can't even move here. Alright, so it's time to get moving, and my knee hurts, man. It's just gonna grind through 13 more miles. Yeah, we're halfway. Get to Essex, and then I'm gonna chill out on the running for a while, mate. Let's go.
Let's do it.
I've got to just go through the pain on my knee for 9 more miles, which is fine. I just thought it'd be an easy day. Bit of walking, bit of pain, bit of jogging, whatever. It's time to make it to Essex, as we say. We said it, so we get it done. Essex! Everybody say, hey! Northeast London is a big place. Essex! So close, less than a mile. It's been a mental battle with me and my knee. Made it! About to be by that sign that welcomes us to Essex. Nice place, this Chigwell.
Yeah. Very nice.
27.1 miles. Surrey to Essex. I don't know, that's it. Alex's adventures done and dusted, dancing in London. So we went sign hunting because we missed it. We went the wrong way. And now it's welcome to Essex. Welcome to Surrey. We've seen that sign, so it's Surrey to Essex. Straight up, all Greater London. Not great enough for us. We run straight through that. The three swords of Essex, mate.